Well, I'll just hold it for now. So I'm doing pork chops, green beans, and keto gravy. Hagen, go in there. Put some in there, please. So I'm making extra pork chops because I'm doing like a meal prep thing. So we're not going to eat all that tonight, obviously. Okay, so for my keto gravy, oh, I got the wrong one. Hold on 1 second. I've got my heavy whipping cream. I just went and got groceries, so I've got groceries sitting everywhere. Okay, so I just cooked my pork chops in this pan right here. And, let's see. I'm gonna add a little bit of this for some of my green beans that I'm gonna make to give my green beans some flavor. So in here, I'm going to take the drippings and I'm just gonna add in some heavy whipping cream to make my gravy. I can do that much. I normally just eyeball it. I don't really measure. It's gonna cook down. Let's see. And I don't want keto gravy for every single meal that I'm gonna have with my pork chops. I'm probably just gonna have it with and have some without. So I'm going to let this cook. Okay, not very prepared right now. 1 second. Honestly, I didn't think that I was really going to do a live tonight, but I haven't really been doing that great on keto. I fell off the wagon for a little bit, and I really started back in April, and I should have stuck with it, and I didn't. So now I'm really starting back today, back on my keto, strict keto. Hagen, take him back in there, please. Hagen, look at me now. And again, you want to salt this, but you don't want to salt it too much. If you do salt it too much, then add more heavy whipping cream. I haven't added salt because I did use the drippings from the pork chops. So I'm just going to add in some salt. Just don't want it to be over salted. Go in there, Ty. You can add whatever you want to it. I have pork chops, so if you're gonna do keto gravy, you can add like Cajun seasoning to it, which would make it like an Alfredo kind of sauce. And then if you're doing breakfast, you can do, you know, add sausage grease or bacon grease in it, and then add the heavy whipping cream, and then you have a gravy for breakfast. This is just a gravy for the pork chops. So you can see it's cooking down. You can even add some Parmesan cheese to it. I didn't think about that. I do that with my pastas, but with this, with the pork chops, you could actually add in whatever cheese you want. Parmesan, mozzarella, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to shut my heat off, and I'm going to let that sit for a second because it's going to thicken up as it cools. And then, hold on one second, let me grab. Sorry guys, like I said, I wasn't really prepared to do a live video. Well, I didn't plan on doing a live video. But I was like, hey, since I'm starting back up today, then we're going to do... See how this is thick now?
Be quiet.
Go upstairs and brush your teeth. Okay, so I got the drippings in here. I'm gonna add some butter. I'm so sorry, the kids are in the background. Okay, and I'm using a plastic fork. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I have these green beans. I really just wanted to jump on and show you guys, you know, the keto gravy. I know I've made it before on a live video, but since I was making it, I just thought I would do another video to show, because I did the gravy for the pork chops. Last time I think I did the gravy for the Cajun pasta. So I'm going to have gravy, keto gravy, pork chops, and green beans for dinner. Kids have already eaten. They're about to go to bed. And they eat this too, but it's been a crazy night, so we haven't. They ate something else. But I'm just really meal prepping right now. So anyway, just wanted to jump on and show you that. I'm going to be making some more. I think tomorrow I'm going to try and make some coconut flour bread. And so I'll be back on tomorrow.